How to remove music sticker from Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove music sticker from your Facebook story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So I will go and open Facebook. I will tap the create story option here, and then I will just try to create a random story. And if I want to add some music to this story, what do you generally do? Well, you happen to tap the sticker icon here, or you can also tap the music icon here, and then you search for a certain music and then you add them. Now the problem here is that you can see this little sticker icon over here as well, but you don't want the sticker icon. And how do you remove this? So right here you can see the sticker icon. So if you want to remove the sticker icon, let's say, all you have to do is you can just select this option, which is this grayed out option that says the song will play in your story without any additional text, lyrics, or sticker. Because there are different forms of adding a music, the one you have to select is this one right over here, which will only play the song, but it will not show any sort of sticker in the background or here or wherever else. So you want to make sure to select this. The bottom option is used for simply changing the verse of the song that you want to listen, and then if you want, you can also change the duration and choose other musics as well. But bottom line is that if you don't want these stickers, you can just select this option here that will only play the music without the stickers here. So this way you will be able to remove music sticker from your Facebook story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.